Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, looking a bit cray as they say. I've got fucking bronzer all in my fucking hair. This is going to be a video of me cussing and stressing out because this does not look like much, and I don't even think it's blended properly, but my idea went through the fucking window. So as you can see, I'm reviewing / testing the Holly Boon HNB Cosmetics lipsticks. Well, I've got like a couple of lip products and lashes. So my idea was, me being extravagant as I am, was I've got a nude lip and a bright lip. So I was gonna do like a bronzy thing like this and then a bright one, alright? Which I'm still gonna do, because you know, it's gonna take me like 7-8 hours, but we're gonna do it anyway. So here I am, finished work, come home, and then I was just like, let's do like a bronzy eye. Here I am 3 hours later, unblended to fuck and hot, stressed. So I was like, fuck this, get some lashes on, they make everything better. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so the lashes that I got are the in the style Extra. So I'm on the website. I did want the style A Bit of Me, but it was sold out. And then I was gonna get everything, but I just thought, just go for fucking Extra, because if you go wrong, stick them on and you'll be fine. These are £8.50, and yeah, I'm gonna measure them and put them on my eye. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really beautiful and silver with it's like a glittery diamond kind of thing down the sides. Absolutely beautiful. And then it's got a little message on the back. So it says, "Thank you so much for investing in my dream. I hope you love the product as much as I do. Love always, Holly Natasha Boon." So if you don't know Holly Boon is, who are you? Are you fucking living under a rock? I don't mean to offend you, but you must be, because she is unreal. Like, if you've seen her in real life or online, mate, I'm gay, but fuck me. Like, not hair fuck me, but fuck me, she's unreal. And also, like, a skin, a face, like, it's just sick. One thing I absolutely love about Holly Boon is just, one, she's down to earth, and two, when she's doing the makeup, she talks on off like that. It's absolutely so cute and so funny. I love it. So just getting her lashes out, like, look at these, like, they're gonna be extra, as the title suggests. So as you can see, like, they just look really, really nice. Like, they're really long, and I need long ones to hide the mistakes of my life. But yeah, they just look so pretty. So I'm just gonna measure these, cut them down, stick them on my eye, because you know that I'm no good with putting lashes on camera especially. So I'm just gonna go off camera and I'll be back. Alright guys, I've just shoved the lashes on to the best of my ability. Oh my god, they're sick. In the box, they look really scary, really huge, but once they're on your eye, they actually look so beautiful, and they're really, really lightweight. To say like the in your face Extra, they're so lightweight. So we all know I'm crap at putting lashes on, but I don't even know if I've got them matched to my eye, but I like this flirty look. Oh, I've got hair there, for fuck's sake. So far, I'm really impressed with the lashes. Okay, so I've got 2 lip products because that's all I could afford. Because I'm just so poor, you know? Like, I'm just absolutely broke.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So, I really wanted to try the gloss formula, and I really wanted to try the matte liquid lip formula, so I got one of each. So this is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, I've got the shade Oh My God, and that is the lip gloss. It's got the signature at the side in gold, and then on the back it's got like a little bit of information. And then this is what the packaging for all of the lip products look like, so they're all the same. These used to have a silver like glittery top, but she changed them, and I actually think this looks really it looks much better. I think it suits her aesthetic a lot more. So I have prepped my lips with the Fenty Beauty lip balm, so good. And yeah, I'm just gonna take this out and we're gonna have a look. So the first thing that she said was the smell. And I don't know what it is about this, but it reminds me of something and I can't put my finger on it. She said it was like a light vanilla scent, but I just can't put my finger on what it is. It's kind of like a vanilla mint. It's kind of like a vanilla, but with a minty scent. I can't put my finger on it, but I've smelt this before. It's so strange. So as you can see, my lips are really pink, and when I first got this, I put it on and then I rewatched her video, and she does like to use a little bit of foundation because we've got pink lips. So what I might do is I might try it over the top with a bit of foundation and then over the top with a liquid lip. But to show you how it looks on its own on top of my lips, then I'm just going to show you. But I'll show you it swatched on the back of my hand. So that's what it looks like on the back of my hand. So you're not going to be able to tell, but this has little flecks in it of sparkle. So the little flecks of sparkle are basically to make it look more glossy, and especially in the sun, it's supposed to make it look so much more beautiful than just an average gloss. But when you look at it on your hand or wherever, you can't see the sparkle really. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. I'm only gonna swatch it on the bottom of my lip just so you can see, but like as you can see, it does pack quite a bit of pigment. So yeah, these do pack like quite a little bit of pigment depending on the shade that you get, and it looks so beautiful and glossy in the camera, and it looks so beautiful in real life as well. Now this wand is so nice. I don't know what it is about it, but the way she's done it is it just literally like, can you see? It's just so nice. Go in with your lip. It's just a really, really nice applicator. So now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender that I've used and I'm just gonna see if it puts anything on my lips. Just to cancel out like a little bit of the pink, because I feel like everyday people don't have lips this pink. Okay, so we're just gonna do the whole entire lip this time and see what it's like. Okay guys, that's what the gloss looks like on top of foundation. As you can see, my lips are so pink, so it's not gonna like cover them fully. But yeah, it's just really nice. The formula of this is so nice and hydrating. My lips don't feel sticky whatsoever. It just feels so hydrating on my lips. Like when I rub my lips together, you can feel the little tiny flecks of like the glitter or whatever's in there, but it's not uncomfortable whatsoever. You can only feel it like a tiny bit. It's not going to irritate, because when I'm talking like right now, it's not bothering me. It just looks so beautiful. I think this, like with this like golden look, looks really nice. I'd probably myself, I'd either go a shade lighter or maybe a bit darker. I get why she's put the little like little flecks in it as well, because it does make it like 100% shiny. Like my lips look just so juicy. Like, do you not want to suck them or what? Okay, so I think I'll wipe this off and we'll see how it applies on top of a liquid lip. Okay, so I've just applied a nude lipstick. This is the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Unbutton. So we're just going to try this on top. So here we go. A lot like more coverage, obviously, because I haven't got the pink underneath, but oh, that is so nice. How nice does that look? Like, especially with the sparkle in it as well, and the colour, that looks so beautiful, and especially with this eye look, I think it just looks so nice. Like you could just go out like this and just, you wouldn't even need such a lipstick up, you could just take this out with you and it would just be, oh my god. And again, like it doesn't feel sticky whatsoever, and it hasn't, like usually when you get like glosses that move your lipstick around, but this hasn't moved anything around. It's made it so beautiful. I'm literally obsessed. Okay, so I really love the formula of this and I love the diversity of it. So we're gonna move on to the other lipstick that I got. Alright guys, for this next one, you're not even ready. Like, I thought I was ready, but you're not even ready. Like, this is the Holly Boon HNB Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade, oh my god, shit the bed. Hold up. So earlier on I said that the lip gloss was oh my god, but it's not. It's Feeling Myself. So the lip gloss is Feeling Myself, and this is oh my god, fuck my life. So yeah, I'm so sorry. When I'm editing this, I'm sure I would have like corrected it. But yeah, this is oh my god, and oh my god, look at this for summer. Like, I'm deceased. This has exactly the same scent to it, and look at it, oh my god. I can literally see why she named this oh my god, because oh my god. So you can either use the gloss with this eye look and, you know, be flirty, be cute, maybe give a wink to the boys or girls and be like, or you could put this on top and mate, take it there. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna line my lips a little bit first, and to do this, I'm just using this lip pencil from Primark. £1, mate, £1.
Come on ladies, £1 fish.
So the reason why I've lined my lips is because I'm terrible at applying bright colours, so this will just help like keep it a bit tidy. Okay guys, so here we go. Oh my god. How has she done this? Like how? How? Alright guys, I think I've gone a bit cockeyed with this lipstick. I'm so shit at putting lipstick on. However, wow, oh my god, this is probably my favourite lipstick I think I've ever used in my life. Like, the colour is so sickening, I'm actually shook. The formula is so beautiful. It feels really lightweight. It doesn't feel dry. Like, you know, like some liquid lipsticks can just suck everything out of your lips, but this just feels so nice on the lips, just really nice, hydrating. This feels really beautiful, and that colour, this colour, I just can't. How has she done this? How has she done this? So guys, you can either leave it like this and be like super cute, super flirty, you know. You're like, the eyes are kind of like, you nice girl, the lips are the bad girl. Or you can say totally fuck it and go like this. Or you can go hard like this. Okay guys, as you can tell, I've just gone away for about 5 years and done another makeup look just to complement the lip. So the story behind this is that I was supposed to be doing an Instagram Facebook Live, a look that I did at the P. Louise Academy. It was like an Avengers theme where it was like black and then purple, but I just thought like, why not do 2 in 1? And yeah, I ended up doing a pink version, and I've got like pink in a corner, pinky gold in a corner, obviously my Holly Boon lip, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So guys, you would not believe how much work goes into making this videos, but I do love it, and I've been at this for like 8 hours now, so it's kind of crazy, but it's kind of like so good at the same time, because obviously I did the bronzy look and now I've done like a crazy look. I did want to do like a bronzy and then a crazy one. So yeah, I'm kind of happy with how it's turned out. One thing I will say is that if the thumbnail is somewhat crazy, I apologise, because when I did my bronzy look, I totally forgot to take pictures, I totally forgot to post for a thumbnail. So this is probably going to be the look that you see maybe, I'm not even sure. We'll figure it out when I'm editing and stuff, but yeah. So guys, onto the Holly Boon Cosmetics, well HNB Cosmetics, like final review kind of thing. I really like the formulas. The only bad thing I'd say about this lipstick, pink one, is because it is such a bright shade, it is a little bit hard to work with. It's not streaky, but it's just a little weird. So the way I overcome that is, say if you put it on your lips, and because the product is really wet, you're moving it around a lot, but if you just put it on, and the way that I like to do it is, if you get like a little fluffy brush and just pat it in onto your lips, it'll dry it quicker, and also it'll get rid of any like streakiness. Like I don't mean streaky as in fucking hell shit streaky, it's a bright colour, like, you know. But yeah, that's the only thing that I'd maybe say about that, but other than that, it feels really gorgeous on the lips. It's not dry and it's not uncomfortable, it's really beautiful. The gloss is absolutely stunning, I absolutely love the formula. The only negative about this is you can feel the granules in it, literally it, and also the lashes you can't see because it's like they're covered black, but the lashes I absolutely love. They're so lightweight, they're just really lovely. I really love the lashes, and yeah, I can't wait to see what's next from Holly Boon Cosmetic. Well, I keep saying Holly Boon Cosmetics, HNB Cosmetics. So yeah, I can't wait to see what's next, because she has been sneak peeking on her Instagram what the next product is, and there's rumours there's an eyeshadow palette, someone's been saying that there's a bronzer, highlighter and blush. I nearly said brush, but it's blush. So yeah, there's a lot more coming from Holly. So yeah, I'm excited for that. If you're wondering what this amazing highlighter is, it may be coming soon. Not from me, not from Ashman Cosmetics, that's yet to be announced later in the year. But yeah, this highlighter I am currently testing, and it was supposed to be first impressions, but I just couldn't wait any longer. You get 6 shades for £6, and yeah, we'll find that out. I'm gonna mix it with lip products, but basically it's from Primark. So yeah, that video is to come. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, go check out my Instagram, all that good stuff. There's a lot of good things coming later in the year, hopefully. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I've enjoyed making this. So yeah, you probably only see this look, so I won't bore you with a weird outro. Thanks for watching, see you in my next video.